How to view tabs on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view tabs on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it click not these three lines, just click this one here, this icon, click on it, and as you see here you can view open tabs, and you can manage here anything you want. You can edit it or close all tabs, and that's it. That's how to find the tabs. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.